one of the largest facilities of its kind in North America, with over 20,000 square feet of space exclusively for undergraduate projects. Welcome to the Sedra Student Design Centre. There is a lot going on in here, so watch your step as you take a look around. With individual work bays for each team, along with a machine shop, welding facilities, computational resources, and special purpose build spaces, this facility ensures the University of Waterloo maintains its leadership in producing top-quality, work-ready engineering talent. This building is also home to the Waterloo Centre for Automotive Research. WATCAR is the largest university-based automotive research center in Canada and works with industry partners around the world to enhance and innovate vehicles, mobility, components, and materials.